from out of nowhere he comes. The concrete canyons of the city are an obstacle course he deftly zips through. He disappears around the corner just as quickly as he shot into sight.
I can't believe I'm not going to make it in time. I'm pushing myself to the limit. Any faster and I'll create a sonic boom shattering the windows of these buildings.
Our story begins in the newsroom of the Daily Spectacle, Charm City's leading newspaper.
Can someone tell me where the copy editor is at?
Off announcement on line 5.
Can someone fix this printer? I have no idea what a PC load letter error means.
You're trying to tell me it fell right out, huh? Like Zoe Boom?
Exactly. It darn near crushed my roommate's car.
For a change, Mark Mason arrives for work promptly at 9 a.m.
Phew, barely made it.
Mason, get over here!
JJ seems pretty hot, Mark. Watch your tail in there.
Thanks, Jerry. Is Amy in yet?
With JJ.
Oh boy.
Mason, have a seat. I want you and Amy to take first crack at this. Of course, after the last assignment you two botched, I should have my head examined, but I've got faith in you kids. Amy has a way with pictures, and you seem to find an angle on stories that most writers wouldn't think of.
What's happening, JJ?
It's the museum. They've got this exhibit coming in from New York. The problem is, someone's been threatening the museum officials. Seems these people don't want the exhibit in town. I need you kids to...
Oh my god.
Mason, what do you make of this? Mason? Damn kid. Where'd he go this time?
Better get back in there pronto. That thing looks pretty rough. For justice and freedom!
I can't feel my legs!
Help! Someone call the army!
Out of my way!
It's the fist of justice. He'll stop that thing.
I'm not sure what you think you're doing, Tin Man, but I've got to put a stop to it. I hope you're hungry, 'cause here's your knuckle sandwich. Oh boy. Okay, so you're tough. Let's see how you handle a little street fight. Huh?
Hold him still.
What's your evil scheme this time, Doctor? Once I break these bonds, I'll send you right back to whichever prison you escaped from.
These bonds will never hold me, you crazy fool!
On a steady diet of antidepressants. Otherwise, she'd try to claw her own face off.
And this one?
Ah, this one. This is one of our most interesting cases. He came to us with no identification, so he's officially a John Doe. He apparently believes he's some sort of superhero. Most of the time we let him indulge his fantasy. But as you see, there are times like today when he becomes violent and hurls himself against the walls. Perhaps in his mind, he's saving the world, but in reality, he's merely a candidate for restraint and medication.
Huh? What's that? A hypodermic needle? Whatever you've got in there is useless against me. You'll not defeat me, Doctor, for I am the Fist of Justice!